Welcome! I am Rachel Kramer, a research librarian at MCC and your embedded librarian for this course. This video will show you how to find good sources from the MCC library databases. From the MCC homepage, click the library link at the top. This is the library's homepage, and this right here is the library's search engine. We call it our version of Google because it searches almost all of the library's 200 databases at once. It is a little different from Google, however. You cannot use full questions or long phrases with this search engine because it will not work. Library search engines cannot handle natural language processing. Therefore, you need to use keywords or short phrases. For example, let's say you are researching the effect of Instagram on self-esteem. Instead of typing in the full question, what type of effect does Instagram have on self-esteem? You could try the keywords Instagram and self-esteem. Hit enter and you will see about 200 results. This is the results preview page. It shows you a preview of each information source. On the left are options to limit or filter your results. You can filter by publication date, format, and more. Let's look at this first result. If you want to read the article right away, just click the blue button. However, if you want more information about the article, click the linked title. This is the item's record page. You should always read the summary to see if an article will be relevant for your research. When you're ready to read the article, click the blue button. Multiple links here means that the article is saved in more than one database. All links should take you to the full article. Now, let's look at these three buttons right here. The Cite button can generate a machine citation for your resource. For this class, you are using APA style, and the citation will appear in this box. These citations are machine generated, so they sometimes contain errors. If you use a machine generated citation, you must double check it against a more authoritative source, like the APA handbook or the best citation website, the Purdue OWL. The Share button allows you to email a result to yourself or someone else. It also provides the permanent link to this article. This link at the top of the page is not a permanent link back to this article. Finally, the Save button allows you to save items to your library account. Right now, this item is saved only temporarily. If I cancel out my search session, the saved item will disappear. To save an item permanently, you must sign in to your library account. Simply use the same username and password that you use for Brightspace. And those are the basics of using the library's search engine. Remember, you can use just about any source as long as it is 2 pages long and as long as it is not a book review. All other sources from the MCC databases should be fine. So what do you do if you need help or get stuck while you are searching? Well, go back to the MCC Library's homepage. Underneath the search engine, click on Chat with a Librarian. You can get help from a librarian by using our 24/7 live chat service, by email and phone, visiting in person, or scheduling a one-on-one appointment, which can be over Zoom or in person. We are always happy to help. In addition, MCC has writing tutors if you need help writing your paper. They are available in person here at the LTC on the main and top floors, or by phone or Zoom. The phone and Zoom number is 254-299-8500. If you need help after hours, you can submit the draft of your paper to the Smart Thinking Essay Center. Smart Thinking is MCC's 24/7 tutoring option available through your Brightspace account. Finally, let's look at the research guide for this course. From the library's homepage, go to Research Resources and click on Research by Subject. Then click Course. Look for Speech 1318 and Communication 1307. Click that link. This is the Research Guide's landing page. My contact information is on the right and the menu is on the left. Finding library sources will help you find sources from the MCC library. Finding internet sources will help you use Google Scholar and Wikipedia ethically and responsibly. This video series on the left will help you learn to evaluate information you find on the internet. Finally, the Writing, Citing, and Plagiarism page defines plagiarism and teaches you how to avoid it. We will discuss internet sources and plagiarism in other videos. Bookmark this Research Guide website and refer to it often because it will be a wonderful resource. Thanks for watching and be sure to watch the other videos.